In this video, I'm going to cover moving, copying, naming, grouping, and hiding sheets in Excel. Be sure to watch to the end where I cover grouping worksheets because this can be a huge time saver, but you need to be careful. You've already seen that we can add sheets by clicking on the plus icon to the left of the horizontal scroll bar. I can rename the Sheet tab by double-clicking on it and typing in a new name, or I can right-click on the Sheet tab and choose Rename. We'll call this 1.06 Move, Copy, etc. Sheets, and press Enter to save the name. To move a sheet in the same workbook, I simply left-click and drag the sheet into place. I get a little indicator to show me where that sheet's going to be placed, and I can release my mouse to place it there. If you want to copy a sheet, one way is to left-click and drag and then press Ctrl. Notice the plus sign on the sheet with my mouse pointer is showing me that it's going to copy that sheet, and the triangle is showing me where that sheet's going to be placed. Now I have 2 and it's appended a 2 to the end. So we can see the first one here, and this is the copied version. Alternatively, you can right-click on the Sheet tab, go to Move and Copy. Here I can choose where I want the sheet to be placed, which workbook, so I can choose a different workbook or even a new workbook. If I want to move it, that's all I need to do. If I want to create a copy, then I check the copy box. It's going to create a new workbook with this sheet copied to it. I'll click Cancel for now. Now you can hide a sheet by right-clicking the Sheet tab and then choose Hide. To unhide it, simply right-click any other sheet, go to Unhide. Your sheet will be in the list. There might be multiple, but you can only unhide one at a time. I'll click OK, and now we have 2 Move or Copy sheets back in the file. You can give your sheet tabs different colors to help identify them. Simply right-click, go up to Tab Color, choose a color from the color palette. When the sheet is selected, the color is quite subtle, but if you click off that sheet, you can see now it's much more vibrant. You can delete a sheet by right-clicking and then choose Delete. You can't undo a deleted sheet, so be careful when you do that. We can group sheets by clicking on the first sheet in the group and then hold down Shift and click the last sheet. You can see they're now highlighted all white. If I want to select non-contiguous sheets, let me just make the scroll bar smaller. I can hold down Control and then click other sheets in the group. So now I've got 1.03, 1.05, 1.06 and 1.07 in my group. Now when I type any data on the active sheet, which is 1.05, so in cell I1 I'm going to type my name, press Enter. Now if I look at the other sheets in the group, you can see my name is on each sheet. So this is super handy if you're setting up templates and you want to enter some headings with some formatting, but be very careful that you don't forget that your sheets are grouped. So I'm just going to delete it. Now it will be gone from each sheet. When your sheets are in a grouped state, not all commands are available on the ribbon. So you can see on the Home tab, the conditional formatting and format as a table are not available. So keep that in mind. To ungroup the sheets, I can either click on a sheet that's not in the group, or I can right-click and choose Ungroup Sheets. Okay, have a play around with the different options for inserting, moving, copying, and grouping sheets.